terrific tourist.
Because you can't. It's
The officers.
Hey, are you?
Can you hit some stuff? Air horn, whale.
It's too loud. It'll freak everyone out. I can do. I mean, you can't see it from in here, but I'm fooling with the lights.
Oh, okay. So 1, 2, 3 is a light pattern.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then right now it's flashing in the back.
Okay.
But I can't. I don't want to set off the siren because it's so loud.
That's fine.
What?
Yeah, they said we'll put the lights
Would you put these wheels on the Aston Martin? Horrible. Money doesn't buy you good taste.
Well, there was also, I think, a couple of the guys who did some of the first work.
I don't think they have a Miata wall for a year. They got NSX.
Oh, look at that.
Miata is? I thought. Pretty sure it.
Oh, okay. So there's no.
Yeah, there you go. Of course, well, some people. Well, yeah. Oh my God! I'm here.
Put your initials up there and stuff. It's all coming in all something else.
I wish my walk schedule looked like this.
Sounds familiar too.
Skyline over there. Also E2. GT4. Beautiful car.
Yeah. And the color fits as well.
NSX. Super clean, keeping it stock. Boosted Celica. C50R.
Something if a non.
I want to see you launch it, man.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, into the cop. Of course, someone was eating. Let me hear it. See you later.